Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message for food and beverage products IndiaMART Enquiries. So are you also running a business related to food and beverages? Then this video is definitely for you. So over here, I'm doing the same and I sell my products online with the help of my IndiaMART account. So now what I want is that as soon as a new inquiry is received from my IndiaMART, automatically that lead should receive an automated WhatsApp message with the help of Vati. So I'm going to use Vati right over here to send an automated WhatsApp message. So for this, we are going to create a connection between IndiaMART and Vati. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So I'm going to do all of this so that I can convert my leads into paying clients. So do you also wish to learn this process step by step? Then let me take you to my computer screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp messages for food and beverage products IndiaMART Enquiries. So as you know that I'm running a food and beverage business, and to efficiently manage my IndiaMART Enquiries, I want to set up this automation. So what I want is that as soon as a new inquiry is received through IndiaMART, automatically they should receive an automated WhatsApp message with the details I want to send to them. So yeah, this automation helps me to respond promptly to inquiries, engage leads faster, and enhance customer experience, all while saving time and manual follow-ups. So to do this, I have simply opened the landing page of Pabbly by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as we are going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in right over here. And as soon as we are going to click on sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm going to click on access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connects account. And as soon as we are going to click on access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with this automation, we are going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which is automations, and over here you can see on my dashboard all the folders which I have previously created. So if you wish to learn how to create a folder or a subfolder, you can click on this learn more right over here. And now it is asking me for the workflow name, so I want the name of my workflow to be send automated WhatsApp message for food and beverage products IndiaMART Enquiries. And then we are going to click on create, and as soon as we are going to click on create, it is opening the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. And to start with our automation, we have to select our trigger application. So for my trigger application, I'm going to select it as IndiaMART right over here because I want that as soon as a new query is received from IndiaMART, automatically my workflow should be triggered. And now for the trigger event, we are going to select it as new leads. So trigger event is the event on which the workflow will start. And as soon as we are going to select it as new leads, over here it is giving me a webhook URL. So we are going to use this same webhook URL in order to create a connection between our IndiaMART account and our Pabbly's workflow. So what we have to do is first we have to copy this webhook URL and then we have to follow this help text. So it is saying log into your IndiaMART account, navigate to the lead manager section in the left tab. So I'm going to open my IndiaMART account. From the left side bar, we have to go on lead manager. And as soon as we are going to go on lead manager, over here you can see the menu. So you have to go on this menu and then import export lead and then push API. And as soon as we are going to open the push API, it is saying to select the source. So over here you can see that in the workflow it is saying choose other as select source. So I'm going to select source as other right over here, and as soon as we are going to do so, it is asking me for the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So again we are going to read the help text and it is saying enter Pabbly Connect in CRM platform name. So I'm going to enter Pabbly Connect right over here, and now it is asking me for the webhook listener URL. So we are going to paste the URL we copied from our workflow and then we are going to click on save details. And as soon as we are going to do so, over here you can see that it is asking me for the reason why I want to shift IndiaMART Enquiries to another application. So over here you can see all the reasons. So you can select one from this. So I'm going to select it as this. The user interface is easy to use and helps me to manage leads efficiently. And then we are going to click to generate OTP. And now you can see that OTP sent successfully. So I'm going to enter the OTP right over here. And now after entering the OTP, I'm going to click on submit, and as soon as we're going to click on submit, yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Pabbly's workflow with our IndiaMART account. And over here you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission or record, and in order to do this test submission, I'm going to open a new tab, and over here using this product, I'm going to do a test submission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on contact supplier right over here, and now it is asking me for the requirement details. So I've created a profile right over here named test, as you can see the same. So using this profile only, I'm going to do the test submission and enter the dummy inquiry right over here. Hi, I'm interested in purchasing various types of juice and carbonated drinks for my cafe. Could you please provide me with the price list, available favors and packaging options? Additionally, I'd like to know if there's a bulk purchase discount or special offers for regular buyers. And then we are going to click on next right over here, and now it is asking me for the GST number. So if you wish, you can definitely enter it right over here, but this is not the required field, so I'm going to leave it as blank and click on submit. And as soon as we are going to click on submit, yes, it is saying your details have been sent. So yes, this means that we have successfully did this test submission, and now our details has been captured by our workflow. So I'm going to open my workflow right from here, and as you can see that yes, we have received a response right over here, but you can notice that it is saying response subject requirement for empty mineral water bottles. So you must be wondering that why the subject is this, because we entered a different subject and a different query. Because over here I'm using a dummy IndiaMART account, so that's why I'm going to receive the test details of my lead. But if you're running a live account, you're going to receive the actual inquiry your lead is going to submit. So over here you can see that I've received this dummy subject only. We are going to move on forward. I'm going to show you all the details. You can see the dummy name received and the dummy phone number, and over here you can see the dummy query received, which is hi, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me the price details. So again, I'll just let you know that these details are dummy details, and I've received a test response because I'm using a dummy IndiaMART account. You can see all the details received. So again, I'll just let you know, if you're running a live IndiaMART account, you're going to receive the live details of your lead right over here. And as soon as we are going to receive this response, yes, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step, set it up our IndiaMART account with our Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to close this trigger step, and now we're going to move on towards our action step. So now what I want is that as soon as a new lead is received from my IndiaMART, I want to send them an automated WhatsApp message. So for the action application, I'm going to search for Vati right over here. So I'm going to send the WhatsApp message with the help of Vati right over here. If you wish, you can definitely use some another application like AI Sensi, or if you wish, you can definitely use WhatsApp Cloud API too. And now it is asking me for the action event. So I'm going to select the action event as sent template message, and then we are going to click on connect. And as soon as we are going to do so, again it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Vati account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the API endpoint and the access token. So to get this, we are going to follow the help text, and it is saying navigate to your top of your Vati dashboard, click on the hamburger icon, then click on the API docs. You will find your API endpoint, and same goes for access token. So I'm going to open my Vati account right from here, and as you can see that this is my Vati account, and after opening this, we have to go on this API docs. So I'm going to go on this API docs right from here, and as soon as we are going to open this, you can see the access token and the API endpoint. So I'm going to copy both of this, and then we are going to paste it right over here in our workflow. So I'm going to paste the API endpoint, and then we are going to paste the access token. And after pasting both of this, I'm going to click on save, and as soon as we are going to click on save, yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Vati account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me for the WhatsApp number. So over here I'm going to enter the number of my lead I want to send the automated WhatsApp message to. So I'm going to enter the number. For that, I'm going to map the number. So what is mapping? Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected IndiaMART as our trigger application. So we're going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. And as soon as we are going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm going to give you an example that over here it is asking me for the WhatsApp number of the lead. Suppose I'm going to enter the WhatsApp number right over here manually like this, then this will not change with every new response received because this is a static information and I have entered it manually. But if we are going to map this from the previous response, suppose I'm going to search for number right over here, and as you can see the number, so suppose I'm going to map this this from the previous response, then this will definitely change because my previous response will also change. So that's why we do mapping right over here to run our workflow in real time. And now it is asking me to select the template. So over here you can see that in my Vati account I've created multiple templates, and if you wish to create a new template, you can click on new template message right over here to create your own. So I'm going to use one from this only, which is WhatsApp message IndiaMART. So I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to select the same right over here, which is WhatsApp message IndiaMART. And now it is asking me for the broadcast name. So I'm going to keep it as IndiaMART right over here. And after entering this, we are going to move on forward. It is asking me for the custom parameters. So you must be wondering what is custom parameters. For that, I'm going to show you my template. Over here, you can see that this is my template, and you can notice that there's name in curly brackets. So this name is in curly bracket because this name is a custom parameter or a variable right over here. So what I want is that this name should be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So as you can see, a dummy message like hi demo user. So I want to replace this name with the name of my lead. So we are going to map this name right over here in our custom parameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this help text. I'm going to copy this example right from here, and then we are going to paste it over here in the custom parameter. So what it is saying, name. What is the name of the custom parameter? So over here you can see the name of my custom parameter is name only. So I'm going to enter the same right over here. And now it is asking me for the value of the custom parameter. So I'm going to erase this blue right from here and map the name of my lead right over here. So I'm going to search for it, and as you can see the same, so we are going to map it. So now what I've done is that the name of my custom parameter is name and the value of my custom parameter is Prabhat. So yes, over here you can see that we have only received the first name of our lead because this was a text response. If you're going to receive the live response, you're also going to receive the last name too. And now after doing this, yes, we have successfully completed this. So I'm going to click on save and send test request right over here. And as soon as we are going to click on save and send test request, yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to this phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the WhatsApp and check that if we have sent an automated WhatsApp message to this number or not. And yes, you can see that we have received an automated WhatsApp message. You can see, hi Prabha, thank you for your inquiry on our food and beverage products. We offer a wide range of high quality items that can cater to your specific needs, and the rest of the message. So yes, with this we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to our IndiaMART lead, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. But I'll just summarize this workflow for you once. So for the trigger application, we selected IndiaMART. For the trigger event, we selected new leads. For the action application, we selected Vati, and then for the action event, we selected send template message. And now what will happen is that as soon as we receive a new lead from IndiaMART, they are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message something like this. And now I don't have to come back in again to my workflow and click on save and send test request every time. Automatically this workflow is ready to run in real time because we mapped the details. So yes, this was it for the video, and if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for the reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.